It might not be the best quality in here because it's kind of fogging up in a way if it focuses. So pretty much, yeah, it's fogging up. Alright, cool. I am doing my first ever ice camp trip out here on Green Bay. No, I don't have any live baits with me. I don't have anything to catch like predator fish or like pikes, wallies, and stuff like that. I got jigging wraps, lipless. I got wax worm, but I don't know. It's special to be out here. Sorry, it's fogging up. It's kind of steaming here. It's really special to be out here. I feel good to be out here. Hopefully it's focusing. I think I gotta stay like right here. Okay. It's been a while since I wanted to do this. Like just come out by myself and sleep on the ice. Ice is 2 feet thick, so I have nothing to worry about. I got my light pole for my otter there. It's flashing so people know that I'm out here. Everything's secure, everything's insulated. I'll show you guys my setup here in a bit. And yeah, I don't know what else to say besides it's my first time. I'm nervous, but I'm also very excited because I need to get used to doing this. I need to get used to just going and doing things myself. That way I can venture for you guys. And that's pretty much it. So with that being said, I am tired, so I'm gonna jig and sleep at the same time and let the GoPro run all night, all day, and hopefully we catch a fish or two. So with that being said, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hit that subscribe button, leave comments down below, hit that thumbs up. And this is my first time, so see how it goes. Peace. Alright guys, so I think I'm gonna hit the sheets because there's nothing going on. It's 10:07, so yeah, I didn't come too prepared. I should have brought some like minnows and live bait and stuff like that. I just got waxy hanging down the treble hooks there. Hopefully a whitefish come by and just scoop it up. I don't know, just something, you know, something's better than nothing. So if something does pull it, it'll go and it'll wake me up. It's right here, right next to my bed here. So yeah, I'll see you guys 3 in the morning. So yeah, peace. Slept good. Slept real good. Turn the lights here. Oof. Yeah, I just had a whitefish show up. Yeah, however at the oh, there he is. He's back. He's back. It's second guessing. Keeps looking at the bottom bait. It won't look at my drop shot, dude. There's 2 of them. Oh, he picked it up. I felt that. Oh, dude, they're super finicky. Got him. First whitefish of the camp. That's so cool. Oh, it's a nice one too. There you go. Alright guys, so We got ourselves the first whitefish of ice camp. Like, I just woke up too. And look how big and girthy it is. And they're so mean, guys. They're super mean. Once you let go of them, they just go nuts. So, super muscular fish. Look at that thing. It's so cool. So, yeah, first whitefish of the morning. The sleep was awesome. I slept really well. And yeah, I don't know. I just slept really good. Maybe because I was tired, but as you can see here, we got a nice one. So let's do it again. I'm gonna keep it too. I gotta bunk it in the head first though, so it stops flopping everywhere. Oh, got him. Dude, freaking smashed him. The heck? There's a school down there. Nice. There's a little guy. Dang, there's a school down there, dude. Oh, jeez. A nice school down there. Whoa. Damn, dude showed up out of nowhere. Like, smash my bait type stuff. Wow. Alright guys, so fish number 2. Just caught it. It's a little guy, but I'll take it because I'm trying to get the heck out of here before the storm. So we got some work to do. Yeah, that fish like came out of nowhere. I didn't have any time to think or anything. Next, I just felt my line go sideways. Like, that's how fast I hit it. That's crazy. That's how you want them to hit it. I want me a monster. So I'm drinking Monster. No, I'm not sponsored by them. A friend showed me this drink and it's been pretty good. Yeah, it's a good drink. I like it a lot. It's softer and lighter than the green one, though I do like the green one here and there too, but this one for some reason is just, it completes the soul, you know. It's pretty good. I like it. That's awesome. Yeah. Dude, I went to turn off the GoPro and I got one. What the heck? Again, on the phone. Ooh, it's a nice one, dude. That's a dandy fish. That's a dandy fish. I went to go turn off the GoPro and I caught this one right here. Dude, that's crazy. What the heck? And he broke my jig off. Oh, dang it. Oh, that was my good jig. What's with me being on the phone? All the good luck is coming this way. Look at that, it's a nice one. I'm holding them really tight because they're really crazy. Let me bunk it in the head real quick. Chill, relax, relax, relax. It's another nice whitefish. So cool looking. We got 3. Man, this guy, I want to go turn off the GoPro and I felt weight at the end of my line. Jeez. He broke off my good jig, which is okay. I'm gonna drop this guy down. It's obviously just fish down there. While I rig this guy up. Oh, I think I had a fish on. Nope, maybe. Oh no. Thought I saw one. Oh, there he is. Dude, there's another one. Right on me. Oh no, I missed. I missed. I missed. Just still down there. Oh, he kissed the bait. The heck? I felt the fish. They got the plastic too. Oh, there he's back. He's back. Oh my gosh, they're back. Eat it. Eat it. Come on, please eat it. Eat it. Got him. Oh, babe, I got another one. Dude, what the heck is going on? And it's on my shorter rod, too. Oh, my gosh. Oh, my gosh. Oh, my God. It's on my shorter rod, so he's fighting really hard. That's a nice fish. Yep, same size. Which I'll take it. Yeah, we got another one. We got another one. Oh, and it popped right off. Relax, chill. Chill. It only takes a little phone call, right? Here's another one, same size. Good eating fish right there. Wow, dude. That's crazy. I don't know what's going on, but something's going on. I still have my glasses on. I didn't even like get ready to fish yet. And I can't even put my rod down. It's crazy. Holy smoke. Good job, babe. Again. So, just give a couple jig here. Just to keep them interested, you know. Go. Get rid of some of these line. There we go. Oh. Oh, he's gone. Oh, he's back. Got him. Got another one. Oh my gosh. Got another one, guys. Oh, it's a nice one too. Jeez. They fight so hard on this light rod. Nope, don't go back now. Oh, it popped off. I got it. Oh, I just saved it. Oh, it's a giant, dude. That's a nice fish. Oh my gosh. Relax, chill, relax. Right there, guys. This fish is nuts. Look at that thing. That's so cool, man. Oh my goodness. Look at that fish. Look how it's all flared out. Woo! That was scary. I almost lost it by the hole. I grabbed it just in time. I'm gonna downsize, see what happens. They haven't been coming in on the big drop, so. Oh, and he showed up. Nice. Got him. I downsized, dude. That's crazy. That's cool. That was cool. On the freaking drop. I want to burn my booty. Relax, chill. Don't break my jig off. I had to hit him in the head first. But here we go. A nice little guy. Good eats. As I always say, good eats. Oh, he tapped it. Go. Got him. That's cool. Hit it twice, too. These are the smaller guys, but it's okay. I'll take it. We'll take it. Still good good eats. Another nice one. In 5 minutes, back to back. It's cool. I'll take it. Dang, that was fast. That was super fast. Oh, he's back. Got him. That's a nice one. Unless he's just a fighter. Ooh, that's a nice one. No. It's gonna go down. Head first, baby. Come on, come on, come on. Yeah, there we go. Oh, that's a nice fish. Much better fish. Gotta bunk it in the head. Alright guys, just caught a better one here. Like I said, we gotta hurry up because the snow is starting to come down. There we go. Another nice fish. These are all good size right here. They got a nice back to them, you know. Good fillets. Okay, we gotta hurry. We gotta hurry. Alright guys, so I'm gonna give it like 10 minutes. It's been dry for the past 2 hours. And the snow is coming down pretty hard. So, yeah, 8 fish. That's more than enough for me. And, yeah, I'm just gonna jig for 10 minutes. After that, I'm gonna cancel it out and clean up and get the heck out of here because snow's coming down. Maybe the snow has something to do with it. The bite just completely shut off. Like, I haven't marked the fish this entire time. So, I know. It is what it is. We got 10 minutes. Let's enjoy it while we're still out here just hanging out. Alright. Let's take this nice long walk. Let's go. I'm actually surprised to fit everything on here. Pretty cool. Got a couple caps. Don't let it die. This stuff right here. Take care of the environment.